Hi there, Dr. Gary here on the road. We sell dental practices nationwide. We are dental practice brokers. I was a dentist for 25 years and now doing the dental practice brokerage for 14 years. So today's topic is, when selling a dental practice, if equipment is not working, remove it or repair it. We'll get into that. So as you know, we're now in 24 states. We just got back from Colorado. It's a good trip. In fact, I'm going to make another video on that. Saw some really nice offices there. And so we're in 25 states. We've got to add Colorado. So we're in 25 states. We have 10 employees, including 2 CPA accountants. We have a great team of 10, always available to you. We're now working 363 days a year, and you can reach us every day except Christmas and Easter. So give us a call, even if you just want to chat, there's no charge. And if you want a free consultation, call us, appraisal consultation. We'll give you some idea what the marketplace is. That doesn't cost anything. Just call us, we can talk to you. Everything you're about to hear today is for informational entertainment purposes. It's not legal or business advice. Now, if you're thinking about, or to contact us, it's 201-663-0935. We pick up the phone every day. And our website is dentalpracticeguide.com or nationwidedentalpracticebrokers.com. So call us. We'll put something together for you and talk to you. Anyway, if you're thinking about also selling to a DSO, call us, because often they will pay our commission. So generally no commission to you as a seller. And when you work with us and the deal is being sold for over $1 million, whether you're working with a DSO, whoever you want to work with, we will reimburse your legal fees upon successful closing. If that's the seller's legal fees. If we go to successful closing, if the deal closes for over $1 million, that's going to be a big help. But getting back to with our experience and everything, being a dentist all these years and having the CPA accountants and doing the dental deals for many years for my CPAs, we're able to give you great advice, especially when you're buying from a DSO or selling to a DSO. We think we know who the best ones are, and we could help you with that. All right. So call us. We'll talk to you about it. We'll get it rolling for you. All right. Now, today's topic is concerning the equipment. I'll get into that in a minute. Any dental equipment, if you're planning on selling any dental equipment in your office, if it's non-functional and you don't want to repair it, remove it. Get it out of the office. It's like buying a house and you say the chandelier not included in the sale. All of a sudden, the people want the chandelier, the buyers. Even if you told them, I'm taking it with me, they say, no, I want it part of the deal. Remove the equipment that's inoperable. Remove the equipment that's not working. Or you may want to decide to repair it, especially if it's an x-ray. I think it's worth it. But if you're not going to repair it, just get it out, because it will become a point of negotiation. Case in point. Let me tell you what happened 48 hours ago. So we got this deal together. Okay, everything's working great. Contracts are written up. Everybody's happy. They're high-fiving each other. Oh, working it. What do you think happens? All of a sudden, at the end, this is a huge dental office, by the way. You're talking over 20 chairs. It was huge. They had 3 compressors in separate areas, one basement, that is, but they were separated. So it was 3 compressors. One of the compressors to run the 25 chairs or thereabouts is not working. So it wasn't the problem. because the dental mechanics had wired up everything so that it still functioned. So now the 25 chairs are being managed by 2 compressors, even though 3 were hooked up. It's just that the third one was inoperable, not working. Now, the buyer was informed, like, hey, as they did the walkthrough, that third compressor doesn't work. It's decommissioned, if you want to use the word. It's not working. So the buyer was informed. Buyer knew it as soon as they came in. All right? So everybody was the understanding. This is not working. Okay. So we're at the end. The contracts were already written. We're putting some final touches on it. The buyer says, by the way, I was thinking, I realize you told me the one compressor is inoperable and not working. I realize that. However, I've decided that I'm going to be needing that third compressor because of increased capacity of number of patients coming in the marketing and advertising. I therefore want you to contribute to the repair of that one compressor. The seller said, look, I informed you it's not included in the deal. I informed you it wasn't working. I told you that the 25 chairs are working fine with the 2 main compressors. So we shouldn't have to repair it. It's just a problem. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Get it out of there. Remove the compressor. Remove inoperable equipment. Just forget it. Don't even bring it up. It's not a point. Because they're going to want it repaired. They're going to want it fixed. It's there. Once they see it, that's what the problem is. So that's my message to you. Why? Because this is real life. This just happened days ago. And now we're getting an argument about it. They're trying to negotiate last minute. Don't give them the option. Get everything going. But absolutely, as I've told you in the past, keep your office clean, neat. Not saying you have to put a lot of money into that office. But certainly, if it's broken, get it out of there or repair it. Get the carpets and the flooring looking fantastic. You don't have to spend money on new carpeting, but you can certainly clean it. Get rid of all your clutter. Clean it up. Obviously, the most important is the cash flow. I mean, that's critical. But on the other hand, if you have an office that's a complete mess and a dump, it takes away from the price. Thank you for listening. Hit the subscribe button if you want to hear these multiple videos. I think we're over 600 now on the YouTube. And I hope you find them very rewarding and you can learn something from them. Thank you for listening. Dr. Gary signing off. I'll see you getting ready for our cruise on January 6th. If those of you are going to miss it, I'll be thinking about you because we'll be in the Bahamas. Bye.